you love pets and want to turn that passion into a profitable business, starting an online pet supply store is one of the best side hustles out there. And thanks to AI-powered tools, you can launch your store with no upfront costs without worrying about inventory, warehouses, or complicated website setup. The pet industry is booming with billions of dollars spent every single year on pet food, toys, accessories, and health products. That means there's a huge potential to build a profitable e-commerce store, especially when you use drop shipping or print on demand to sell products without ever handling inventory yourself. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start a pet supplies e-commerce store using AI. You're going to learn how to pick winning pet products that actually sell, how to launch your online store, and how to start selling and making money without any upfront costs. Let's get into it. So step one is to choose your pet niche and products. So before you're launching your store, you need to choose a specific niche within the pet industry. Selling pet supplies is very broad, but focusing on a specific type of product really will help you stand out and attract the right customers. Some profitable pet niches include eco-friendly pet products, sustainable toys, biodegradable poop bags and organic treats, personalized pet accessories, custom collars, engraved name tags, and matching pet owner outfits. Also pet health and wellness like supplements, grooming tools, and orthopedic pet beds. There's even high-end pet fashion like designer pet clothes, luxury carriers, and premium harnesses. There are so many options out there, but picking a niche helps you create a brand that attracts loyal customers instead of just selling random pet items. Once you've chosen a niche, it's time to find products to sell. Step number 2 is to set up your store. Now that you've chosen your niche and products, it's time to bring your store to life, and the easiest way to do that is with Storebuild.ai. Instead of spending weeks figuring out website setup, Storebuild.ai does the work for you. This AI-powered tool builds a fully functional Shopify store in minutes, so you can focus on selling instead of getting stuck in the tech. Here's what it takes care of: a professionally designed store that looks polished and is built to convert visitors into customers, preloaded product pages, so all you have to do is upload your images and descriptions, built-in Shopify integration, making it super easy to handle payments, shipping, and customer management, a seamless checkout system so customers can buy with just a few clicks. Since your store runs on Shopify, you'll also have access to secure payments, automated order fulfillment, and built-in marketing tools to help you grow. So we are going to go ahead and build our store. What you'll want to do is click our link in the description. I've left it there for you, and you'll be brought to this page, and we'll go ahead and click build free store. Okay, so now we're going to type in our first name, email address, and phone number. We'll go ahead and create free account, and then from here we will select our niche. So we'll click pet care. Next we'll pick a color, go something nice and bright, and then from here we can choose the banner style. Next, claim Shopify store, so go ahead and register on Shopify, start free trial, and now we'll do a password. Go ahead and create Shopify account. Next, there are some questions, but if you want to skip, I don't want help setting up, what we want to do is select a plan. So Shopify, what they do have going on right now is for the first 3 months, you can just pay $1. So with the basic plan, again, for the first 3 months, that's $1. You get card rates that start from 2.9% plus a 30 cents USD. You also get customer reports and analytics and POS Lite. Next is the Shopify plan. In this, again, the first 3 months are $1, and then after that, it goes up to $105. The card rates do decrease a bit. So the card rates are 2.7%, and then you get everything else that's included in the basic, but you also get 5 additional staff accounts. Last is the advanced plan. So again, the first 3 months are $1. After that, it's $3.99. So the card rates decrease again to 2.5%, and then everything in the Shopify plan, but you get 15 additional staff accounts and you get more options for global selling. So let's go ahead and stick with the basic for now. Okay, next we will go ahead and Shopify link. So we're going to copy this link right here. Click I have activated it. We will go ahead and copy and paste that. Next, winning products. So next we would want to install the ZenDrop app for free. So this is an AI tool that can load your store and link products directly onto your Shopify account. So what we will do is activate ZenDrop, go ahead and click download, and then what we'll do is go ahead and click install, and then install one more time. Then we'll go to continue onboarding. All you have to do is click go go live and your website is ready to go. So quick, so simple. Make sure you are taking advantage of this $1 for a few months and using Storebuild.ai. It is so powerful and so quick. Step number 3 is to set up payments and order fulfillment. So once your store is live, the next step is making sure customers can place orders smoothly and get their products delivered hassle-free. So for payments, Shopify makes it super easy by allowing you to accept credit and debit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. And for fulfillment, you do have 2 main options depending on the type of products you're selling. So they've got drop shipping if you don't want to keep inventory. Platforms like Spocket, CJ Drop Shipping, and ZenDrop connect directly with Shopify. So I showed you how to connect ZenDrop, but there are other options too. But basically, when a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product for you, so you never have to handle stock. There also is print on demand if you're selling custom pet products like pet portraits, t-shirts, or mugs. Printify and Printful let you design products and sell them without holding inventory. When someone orders, the item is printed and shipped automatically. With Shopify's automated order system, once a purchase is made, the order is sent directly to the supplier for fulfillment. That means you can run your store without worrying about packaging or shipping. Everything is taken care of for you. Now, step number 4 is to market your pet store and get sales. Now that your store is live, it's time to drive traffic and start making sales. You don't need to spend money on ads. There are plenty of ways to market your products for free. The best free marketing strategies for your pet store are TikTok and Instagram Reels, so you can create videos showcasing pet products, funny pet content, and behind the scenes of your business. There's also Pinterest marketing where you create pet-themed pins linking to your store. Pet products perform super well on Pinterest. Another place to market is Facebook and Reddit groups. Share your store in pet owner communities where people are already looking for pet products. There's also influencer collaboration, so maybe reach out to pet influencers and offer free products in exchange for exposure. Since pet owners love sharing cute and funny pet content, visual marketing is a powerful way to drive sales without paid ads. Shopify also allows you to build an email list and send promotions so you can turn one-time customers into repeat buyers. Step number 5 is to scale your pet store for long-term success. So once you start making sales, the next step is turning your store into a steady income stream. Here's how to grow your business. First off, add more products. If certain items are selling well, expand your store with related products. For example, if pet portraits are popular, add matching mugs, phone cases, or blankets. More options mean more chances for your customers to buy. Number 2, offer subscriptions. Subscriptions bring in repeat income without relying on new sales each month. A pet subscription box with treats, toys, or accessories keeps customers coming back automatically. You also can use bundles and upsales to encourage bigger purchase. For example, buy one get one 50% off deals. Bundles matching products at a discount. Upsells at checkouts suggest related items. These small tweaks increase order value without extra effort. Lastly, track and adjust with Shopify. Shopify's tools show which products are selling best, where customers come from, and how to improve sales. Use this data to test pricing, run promotions, and focus on what works. Start with 1 or 2 of these strategies, and over time, your store can grow from a side hustle to a full-time business. Starting a pet supply e-commerce store is a great way to turn your passion for pets into a business. And with tools like Storebuild.ai and Shopify, getting started is easier than ever. You don't need a big budget or technical skills. Everything is set up to help you launch quickly. If you're thinking about creating your own store, make sure you check our links in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, I'd love to hear in the comments what kind of pet products you would love to sell. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and again, leave any comments or questions below. I'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you launch profitable side hustles and online businesses with step-by-step guides. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.